G'day everyone, welcome to GLOBEXPLORERS.com. My name's Tyson Cable and I'm going to go through the introduction tutorial for the website. Just to start off with, what you're seeing here is the splash page for Globe Explorers. In the top left hand corner you can see this is a HTTPS website, which means that it's encrypted. It's got an SSL certificate, which means that it's fully encrypted. It can't be hacked easily, and then on the right side here you can see that there's natural pop-up blocking happening in Google Chrome. We ask that when you use our website to allow pop-ups from GLOBEXPLORERS.com. The reason why we ask that is because later on some features like sharing with Facebook use pop-ups, and if it's blocking it, you're never going to be able to share what you've done in Planner and projects onto your Facebook. Okay, so this is a splash page. Basic information tells you about what the website's for. It's a comprehensive resource for travelers. You can either log in if you've already created a registration, or you can register now if you haven't. I'm going to opt for Explore now, so I'm clicking that. You can see here that there's a pop-up in the middle of the screen that says you need to disable the pop-up blocker, and it shows you how to do it. So just go to the top, click that, always allow pop-ups, and then reload the website. So I'm going to go up here, done, and then just reload. You should do that for the first time and you won't have to do it again. Okay, so it's reloaded the front page, so I'm going to go explore now. So what you're seeing here is the top toolbar. This stays on the website through all these different functions. So if you're in any one of these sections here, this is the top toolbar. It's always going to be there. Down the bottom you can see that we're in the home section, and these are the home section pieces of information that are relevant to the home section. So there's a home, about, terms of use, privacy policy, a how-to guide, which is a PDF, submitting ideas. If you're using the website and you think there's a good idea that you would like to be implemented, please click on here and submit the idea. We will review these ideas and we'll prioritize them, and then we'll implement them based on the merits of those ideas. The same with bug reporting. If you find a bug, please come to this section and report that bug, and we'll also fix that. Down the bottom right you'll see there's a little white information icon. This is basically a tutorial walkthrough and tutorial video quick click, so you can open them at any time. Okay, so what's the website about? Well, there's 6 different sections. 4 of them you don't need to be logged in, and 2 of them you do need to be logged in. So for these ones you need to register and log in. You got home, which is what I've just went through. You got registration, which is just signing up and becoming a member of the website. You'll also need to do an activation process to make sure that the email you've given is the same as the one you actually use. Then you've got Explorers, search mode, planner, and projects. Of these, the most important for travelers is probably the project section. That's where you create your projects and you put all your information. Otherwise, at the top you've got the settings here. You can change the map type. The first 4 maps are Google type maps and the rest are open source. You can change that. These are just choosing metric versus empirical. And then you've got day-night. You can switch on and off day-night type parts of the map, and tooltips. So here with tooltips you can opt to make it so whenever you come to a new section the tooltips appear or not, and if you get sick of it just come here and turn them off. Otherwise you can search around the map using continents. So if you want to go to Europe, just click on Europe. You want to go to Oceania, go to Oceania. Okay, you can see here that this is Australian Western Standard Time, 6:42. If you want to change that, you just click on that. This only works, by the way, on Home and Explorers. I'm in Home at the moment, so it's working fine. If I want to change the time, I'll just click turn it on. And it says to click anywhere on the map, so I'm going to choose India. So I click on India. Time in India is 4:12 at the moment. If I want to use it, I just click use. Okay, so it's changed to 4:12. If I want to change the time, I just repeat the process. Next is Facebook Like. If you haven't liked us on Facebook, please do that now. You'll need to be signed into Facebook simultaneously, and then if you click that, it'll like Facebook. So just like that if you haven't done so. Then you can find a project or a member. So I'm going to look for adventure projects. So there's 2 adventure projects, the Adventure Photo Challenge and Indonesian Adventure BIS. If you want, you can click on that and you can open up what those projects are. So this is the Adventure Photo Challenge. The description is here. The members are here. You can see people have liked it 696 times and it's been seen 928 times. You can also opt to favorite this, but you need to be logged in to favorite, and then later on you can actually open up all your favorites on this map. Anyway, so that's that. You can go back to Explorers to get out of there. This is an example of tooltips being turned on. I'm going to turn them off. I'm going to close that. Close it again. And if I want to find a member, I can type in, let's go Terry. So if I type in that, I'll see Terry. This is Terry's profile picture, information about Terry. He's French, he's an administrator, and these are his projects. And if you want to send Terry a message, you can send one, but I have to log in again, so I won't do that now. So basically, this is the introduction to GLOBEXPLORERS.com. If you want to find out more, there's going to be a tutorial for each one of these sections. So please go to those sections whenever you like, now if you like, and watch the tutorial there. Thank you.